Hey guys, I'm Daphne Quay, your boss lady realtor here in Austin, Texas. Sorry if it's a little windy today. Anyway, today we are back here again in Cedar Park. This is the Tanner Ranch community. Tanner Ranch is a small, I would say kind of exclusive community. By exclusive, I mean small. There are a total of 30 homes that are going to be built here, and that's it. The builder is Ash Creek Homes, and they are a local builder here in Austin. They're a smaller builder, and I've done a couple other videos about this community, but I think something important to point out is the fact that literally everyone that works for this builder works here in this community. I'm going to turn around and show you their office trailer. Can you see it in that shot? Yes. So that's like where everybody works. So point being, it's a very hands-on company, and the folks that work here are very knowledgeable, very helpful, and super friendly. As I've been walking through today to get footage of this home that we're gonna tour, a couple of folks that work for the company have walked over and said hi, and they're like, oh, do you need help? Do you need anything? And it's just a really good vibe in general. Part of the reason that I've been featuring Cedar Park and this community in particular the last few weeks is, one, I have a lot of clients that have been looking for homes in Cedar Park. Cedar Park is awesome. It's personally one of my favorite suburbs in Austin, specifically in the north side of Austin. There's a lot of stuff to do. There's a lot of variety, lots of parks, and it's also known for its highly rated schools. This community in particular is zoned for C.C. Mason Elementary, which is rated 8 out of 10 according to greatschools.org. Anyway, let's start this home tour. I'm going to tell you all about this home as we go through it. So let's begin our journey. Oof, these big black doors are gorgeous. I know that these were not cheap to install. This is not a cookie cutter builder by any means. So right when we walk in, we can see this kitchen. It's a huge kitchen. There's a lot of space. I mentioned this in one of the other homes as well. This kitchen has a black and white finish out. I'm a huge fan of black and white kitchens. I think they are very elegant looking. It's almost like a tuxedo kitchen. Look at the detailing that they did. First, these light fixtures are big and they definitely make a statement. Also, the fact that they took this beautiful backsplash all the way to the ceiling. I love this detailing. Personally, when I remodel homes, I do the counter to ceiling backsplash as well. Whenever and wherever possible, of course, I'll do it in the kitchen, and then a lot of times I'll do it in the shower as well, all the way from the floor to the very top of the ceiling. But enough about what I do in remodeled homes. Let's keep looking at this home. This island, y'all, is huge. And what a smart design. Look, you can put 2 chairs or 2 stools, I guess, on either side. So this could actually be like a dining table as well. And over here, there is a designated dining space as well. So obviously you don't just have to use the island, but what a great and practical setup. Right behind me is the little home office, but we're gonna check that out probably close to last. So let's veer on over here to the guest wing of the home. Here we have 2 bedrooms that are right next to each other. Each of these bedrooms is pretty spacious. Let's go into the first one. This is the smaller one. It's not gigantic, but you could very comfortably fit a queen size bed and some like decently sized nightstands in here as well. Very practical little closet. Not, I wouldn't say like super walk-in closet, but I mean, it's got plenty of storage and it's got a nice shoe rack in there for you already, which is kind of a nice upgrade. Let's check out the second bedroom. This second bedroom is way larger and it's got more windows and tons of natural light, which I think we can all appreciate. I do. It's got a similar closet setup. I think the closet here might be just a little bit bigger than the previous one. Yeah, I would say it is, but not by much. And it's also got kind of that cool shoe rack setup as well. Let's make our way over here to the secondary bathroom. Oof. I'm a huge fan of this tile that they use. It's kind of like grayish is what they call it. It's not gray, it's not beige, but it's like a hybrid of the two. Oh y'all, it matches my jacket. Right. Super cute. Oh, I love it. See, and it goes from the bathtub to the ceiling. And same thing here with the mirror. It goes from the countertop, there's my jacket again, to the ceiling. So nice detailing all around. I do want to point out, I believe that this is hardwood flooring. If not, it's engineered hardwood, which is like a higher end, I want to say like laminate product. So very, very durable, very elegant, not cheap. Looks really good. Alrighty, as we continue on through, we are going to go to the primary bedroom. It's over here, located in the back of the home, and it's, I hate saying the word nestled because I feel like it's so overused in real estate, but it is literally nestled back here towards the back, like at the back of the house, and it just feels really private, really quiet, and super peaceful. Really big walk-in closet. Ooh. And here's another closet. This one's skinnier in nature, more narrow, but I mean, still walk in and it's got plenty of space. All right, let's check out the primary bath. This is a really lovely bath. There is so much natural light in here. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's got these two vanities, which is lovely, and they're separated, which is great because each person can have their own space. Oh, I love that. Pretty shower. I'm not a huge fan of this like fake marble tile. It's okay, this looks nice, but personally, I'm really more into these like solid colors right now. What do y'all think about this shower? Tell me. I want to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment. Ooh, there's the closet again. Okie dokie. So now we're going to go through and I'm going to show you the laundry room, which is really cute. And then I'm also going to show you the garage. And then we will wrap up by looking at the backyard. Oh, y'all. The tile flooring in here is cute. It's like kind of an old school pattern. I see, it's like trending right now. I see this. Also, huge fan of the fact that they just have backsplash for the washer and dryer. So it gives it a really complete finished look. And this little cabinet is really nice. So you can stick soap and fabric softener, I don't know, dog food, whatever you may have. Okay, so immediately next to me is the door for the garage. Let's check out the garage. Oh boy, there's so much construction material in here. That's okay, we can see through the mess. This is a pretty standard size 2-car new construction home garage in Texas. I feel like you might be able to fit a small SUV in here and then like a small compact car. If you're a true Texan and have a huge truck, that's all you would be able to fit in here. But if you have like an SUV, yeah, and a little car, then of course that would fit just fine. Hey, water heater. There are literally windows at the top portion of the garage door, so you also have natural light in the garage, which is nice. Also, they finished out the walls in this garage. I think they've done this with all the other homes as well. I just didn't notice it in other videos, but they've got like big baseboards in here, and then they've got the textured and painted out walls, which you don't typically see in new construction homes. So that's a bonus. Part of the reason I wanted to do these home tours right now is because this time of year is when builders are the most motivated. Since we are at the end of the year and we are very much in a buyer's market, most builders have pretty good incentives on their homes to get them moved before the end of the year, as we can imagine. So let me know what y'all's thoughts are on these homes. Would love to hear your feedback. Also, let me know if there's any other communities or any other part of town you'd like me to do a home tour in. That would be helpful for you. Okay, as promised, we are gonna check out the little office, and it is literally a little office. I think this is such a practical space because so many of the new construction homes, or just so many of the homes that I look at on a day-to-day basis with clients, have offices, which is fantastic because everybody works remote. However, they are huge and it ends up being a lot of wasted space. I couldn't tell you exactly how big this exact office is, but if I had to guess, I'd say it's probably 8 by 5 feet. So it's like the size of a really spacious closet, which is, I personally think that's plenty of space. You can fit your desk in there. You can honestly probably even fit a couple computer monitors in there and have a really comfortable setup. Okay, let's check out the backyard. This sliding glass door is actually really big. I don't know if you're able to tell in video, but it's tall and it's wide. So here we are. Look at all the trees. Something that's really special about this specific community is the fact that the builder decided to keep all the live oak trees. Well, I don't know all of them, but a lot of them, because so many new communities have like no trees, have no greenery whatsoever, and they just look kind of sterile. I mean, eventually the trees grow in and it all fills out and that's fine. But this already has kind of an established look. Here's our patio. Lots of shade back here from this live oak. Oh, this is so beautiful. These live oak trees are very much what you would expect in, I don't know if it's all of Texas, but definitely in Austin, especially like the northwest side or like the west side of Austin. So I want to bring you over here to this portion of the backyard. It doesn't back up, but it sides up to a retention pond. And this retention pond only holds water for a very short amount of time if it has heavy rains. So it might sound kind of weird if you're not familiar with what these are, but this is actually dry, I would say 95% of the time. And when there is water in there, you can see there's a huge opening where the water drains out of and it goes down into like city water. I don't know, I'm not a water expert, but the water goes away. This is a very comfortable little space back here, super shaded. And right now we are kind of in the cooler months of Texas, so it's fine, but I think during the summer it would be actually quite nice because there is so much shade from all these big, beautiful trees. So that's basically what we've got today at this beautiful home. If you guys are curious about homes in Cedar Park, or if you're curious about buying a home in Austin in general, do reach out. My contact information is in the description below, and you can set up a one-on-one video call with me as well if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in the Austin area. Also, if there are any other neighborhoods that you guys want me to feature or you want us to check out together through video, leave a comment and let me know. I really love interacting with you guys, and I really want to provide content that's going to offer a lot of value. Okay, thank you all. Till next time, bye.